Wiggle, wiggle toes. Wiggle, wiggle. Wow, was that mud? Having fun? Ready? Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Say wiggle, wiggle, tush, tush. Wiggle, wiggle, tush, tush. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your toes.
It's muddy.
Yeah, muddy. Ready, go run around. Run around. Ready, set, go. No? Too interested in the mud? I really don't think it's going to rain. Maybe it's just blowing right over. Oh no, definitely not going to blow over. Ah, here it comes. Here comes the rain. Oh no. You're going to get soaked. Here it comes, Kristi. These clouds are very strange. The clouds can't make up their minds. Here comes rain. Here it comes. Woohoo! You're gonna get soaked. Maybe. Dance! Dance, dance, dance! Your first rainstorm? Oh, here it comes, Kristi. Here it comes. Ah, you're getting soaked. Say whoa. Yeah, stay close though. Stay over here. Over here. Say wow. I don't mind if you get a little wet. Nothing a bath kick here. We're not thunderheads, so I think we're just going to get lots of downpours. What do you think? Here it comes. It's about to rain even harder. Here it comes. Hey, Nelly. See your sister. Whoa! Whoa! You getting wet? You gonna dance, dance? Kaya, it's alright.